Okay, it's always important to use quick connects when charging refrigerant. I like to use an angled 90 quick connect. The quick connect cuts off the flow of refrigerant when it's detached from the unit immediately. Helps to prevent frostbite. Now it's also always important to wear safety glasses and to wear gloves when working with refrigerant, but it's definitely important to use the quick connect to minimize the amount of refrigerant loss as well as prevent frostbite. I like to use a 90 for each of the cold and hot side, for the low side and the high side, and then I like to use a straight connect for connecting to my refrigerant bottle. So that's using the quick connects. Again, these just connect up fairly easily. And what's nice is by using a quick connect, when the quick connect wears out, you can replace the seals in here, but also you can just replace the quick connect. So it makes it less likely that your hoses are going to wear out. You can just replace the quick connects.